Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford Expedition. Stock number is A7814. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control. Four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Expedition on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.